Here's the final result. My old Whoop 4.0 band now works perfectly with the new Whoop 5.0 device. If you want to see exactly how I made this happen step by step, keep watching. I'll show you the full process modifying the band to 3D printing a custom clip. This is my original Whoop 4.0 band, and this is a new Whoop 5.0 band. At first they look similar, but the clip system is completely different. The shape of the clip is new. The old band is 25mm wide, the new one is 24mm, 1mm narrower. That means the old band doesn't fit the new device, so I decided to make it work. Here are my old bands and the belt sander I used to trim them. I carefully sanded down the end of the old band by about 1mm. Now the width matches the new 5.0 clip system. It fits perfectly. But we still need a clip to hold it in place. First, I took measurements of the original clip. Since the side profile was unusual, I used polymer clay to copy its shape. Then I transferred this shape into my 3D modeling software. I recreated a clip that matches the new version Whoop 5.0 design. If you want to see the full modeling process, check out my separate video. Once the model was ready, it was time to print. After finalizing the design, I printed it using PLA on my 3D printer. The print took about 15 minutes. I printed a few copies for testing, and it took a couple of tries to get it perfect fit. Here's the final test. The strap fits, the clip snaps in securely, and now the old Whoop 4.0 band works great with the new Whoop 5.0 device. If you want to order this 3D printed clip, the link is tagged in this video. Mission accomplished.